Termites are a homeowner's worst nightmare because they will eat you out of house and home. They will do a lot of damage and can be difficult to get rid of. But termite control does not have to cost you thousands of dollars. In this video, I will show you how you can control termites easily to save your home and money. Hi, I'm Keith with Solutions Pest and Lawn. If you're new to us, we create these videos to help educate people like you about DIY pest control. If you want to buy these products and learn even more about termites and termite control, click the card on the top right of the screen or the links in the description below. If the colony has been identified in a specific area within the structure, you'll want to replace the damaged wood and treat with a borate product such as Bora-Care. Bora-Care is applied to bare wood and should be mixed in a bucket with warm water using a paddle bit that fits a standard drill. Mix the product until it has the consistency of water. Pour the mixture into a sprayer and spray the wood to wet. You can treat exposed wood behind sheetrock or up in the attic. It will penetrate the wood and kill the termites as they feed. Also, if you have access to underneath your house, you can spray all the exposed wood there as well. Next, apply FiPro aerosol foam into any exposed termite galleries, voids, cracks and crevices around windows, doors, fireplaces. FiPro aerosol is a foam and it travels very easily through termite galleries, which actually provides good deep penetration. Remember, get these products today by clicking the icon in the top right corner where you can easily find each of these products. We will also have links to these and the equipment down in the description below. We 100% guarantee that these products and tips will get rid of your termite problem, and we offer same-day shipping to help get you control quickly. Visit our website for an in-depth guide and access to each of these products. Solutions is a small family-owned business, and we rely on referrals from customers like you. So if you like this how-to guide and when the product works for you, please share and tell your friends and family about us. And don't hesitate to give us a call or shoot us an email. I'm Keith with Solutions Pest and Lawn. Ask us how, then do it yourself.